Hey there fitness enthusiasts! Are you tired of the same old high-protein meals? Are you looking for some vegetarian options that are both delicious and nutritious? Well, you're in luck. Today, we've got 5 delicious high-protein vegetarian meals that will take your fitness game to the next level. So, let's dive in. 1. Lentil and quinoa salad. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, which helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Quinoa is high in protein, fiber, and essential amino acids that the body needs for muscle repair and recovery. Vegetables add important vitamins and minerals to the meal, making it nutrient-dense and satisfying. Cook quinoa and lentils together. Add in chopped vegetables, carrots, cucumber, tomato, bell pepper. Top with a dressing of your choice. Voila! A protein-packed, refreshing salad. 2. Tofu stir-fry. Tofu is a great source of plant-based protein and is low in calories, making it an ideal food for those who want to maintain a healthy weight. Mixed vegetables are nutrient-dense and provide important vitamins and minerals that are essential for overall health and well-being. Brown rice or quinoa adds complex carbohydrates to the meal, providing sustained energy for physical activities. Marinate tofu in soy sauce and ginger. Stir-fry with mixed vegetables, broccoli, mushrooms, snap peas. Serve with brown rice or quinoa. A satisfying meal with a perfect balance of protein and carbs. 3. Chickpea curry. Chickpeas are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels and promotes digestive health. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps to prevent cancer and promotes heart health. Curry powder contains various spices that have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Sauté onions and garlic in a pan. Add in chickpeas, canned tomatoes, and curry powder. Let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Serve with brown rice or naan bread. A flavorful, protein-rich curry that will leave you feeling satisfied. 4. Zucchini noodle bowl. Zucchini is low in calories and high in fiber, which helps to promote digestive health and keep you feeling full for longer periods. Edamame is a good source of plant-based protein and is rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for overall health and well-being. Peanut sauce is rich in healthy fats and protein, which helps to promote satiety and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Spiralize zucchini into noodles. Sauté with garlic and onion. Add in edamame, corn, and tofu. Top with a peanut sauce. A low-carb, protein-packed meal that's perfect for a post-workout dinner. 5. Black bean and sweet potato enchiladas. Black beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels and promote digestive health. Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbohydrates and are a good source of fiber, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels and promote satiety. Corn tortillas are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an ideal food for weight management. Roast sweet potatoes in the oven. Mash black beans and mix with cumin and chili powder. Roll the mixture into corn tortillas. Top with enchilada sauce and cheese, vegan or regular. Bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. A comforting and filling meal that's high in protein and fiber. There you have it, 5 delicious and high-protein vegetarian meals that are perfect for fitness enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned vegetarian or just looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet, these meals are sure to leave you feeling satisfied and fueled for your workouts. So, which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below.